In this video, I'm going to show you how to split cells horizontally in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Sheets doesn't have a direct split cell button like Google Docs or Microsoft Excel. However, you can split the contents of a cell horizontally using a formula. Now, suppose A1 contains this name, John Smith. Now, you want it to be split across two cells, so John and Smith inside A and B. Now, what we need to do is click on the cell where you want the split result to start, and then go ahead and enter this formula, split A2, but I need to change this A2 to A1, and then hit enter. And then you can see here it is split into John Smith. And if you've got multiple names going down here, so if I go ahead and just put his name multiple times down here, if I go and click on that cell B1 and drag this down, click on the very bottom right hand corner, drag this down, that's going to go ahead and split those names as well.